Yeah, I realized on my video on my phone, cell phone, it took up all my data to do videos, so I'm using my laptop now till I buy a camera tomorrow. Further ado, beef tip. I'm gonna do some cooking videos coming up. Moving ahead, I'm gonna show you guys my firework collection, and it's all I'm gonna get. It's really all I'm gonna do for this year. Last year was shitty. Didn't do shit. Didn't do nothing. Um, I'm way better than Yellow Groove. You know, I'm gonna settle the score, settle the, you know, he just doesn't have as good fireworks as I have. You know, I got a Red 4 Loko here. Never had it. I'm gonna try it for you guys. I'm gonna try it. Never had it. Got heartburn and indigestion. It's not gonna be. It's not gonna be easy. I don't think for me to do. First time I ever had Red 4 Loko before. Taking it down like a boss. Oh man. By the way, I got some M98s. What do you know about that? Yellow Groove, a whole box of these. Show you guys later what it looks like. I got a Mad Hatter fountain. Got a bottle of rocket parachutes. Check that out. Also got the Ouija board. Original Ouija board. There's 1, 2, 3, 6 of these. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Got a cuckoo fountain, box of these. Because I'm cuckoo. For like a red. Got some super loud trickers, tricksties you throw on the floor. Got a little friendship fountain. Got a whole half a brick of Wolfpack maximum power. We know about that Yellow Groove. He doesn't know diddly nothing about that. What do you know about the Jade Flower fountain? You don't know nothing about that either. What about the Moon Dance fountain? Seen that before. That's so. Another friendship fountain. Yellow Groove ain't got nothing on this. Confetti lights. Probably like strobes. It's a fountain in actuality. Yellow Groove ain't got nothing on my stuff. That's a damn fact. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Muscle. Actually, don't have no muscles. These are actually safety punks. These are like safety punk things that light the fireworks. They're like incense. Helps you light them. Got a little crimson cone. Got another crimson violet. A violet crimson cone. Like I said, Yellow Groove don't have nothing on this large cone flower fountain. Got me a pack of sidewalk speeders, really cool. Little novelty. I got a skateboarder, I got a biker, I got a fire truck, and I got a police car in this. Light on the ground. They move and they spark. Yellow Groove ain't got shit on this. I got me a buckshot Bear Barrage. What do you know about that? I got a peach flower in the spring fountain. And I was in the Army, so I get half off everything because I was in the Army. I got party poppers. A couple of those. What do you know about this Yellow Groove? Got the T-Force tank. Oh yeah. Big old tank. T-Force. Got the oil lamp fountain, big ass oil lamp fountain. What do you know about that? That there alone was like $50 almost. Right there. I got bottle rockets, the mega bangers. Bottle rockets, all pack of these. Bottle rockets. Yellow Groove. I don't think you got nothing on my fireworks. Spark plug fountain. Got the ladybug spinners that go up in the air. Kind of like the planes. I got 3 of these. Ladybugs. 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 I got the big ass Wonderland fountain called the Wonderland Fountain by Panda Fireworks. I got another little fountain cone. Got some sparklers. 5 sparklers, 6 sparklers. Last but not least, I got the Raging Rottweiler. This is a repeater, like a cake repeater. Finale, 16 shots. 16 shot. What do you know about that Yellow Groove? Raging Rottweiler. That's on my firework collection right there. Leave comments down below. Oh shit. The only thing is I didn't get, and I know from my childhood because my papa used to have the best fireworks. Cheers. I didn't get no smoke bombs. I didn't get no morning glories, which I had morning glories before. Ground blooms. I didn't get no ground blooms. I didn't get a tree spinner. You nail it in the tree and it spins. I love tree spinners. They're really cool. They spin on the tree and they whistle and they have all different effects. I didn't get no strobe lights. Strobe lights, they flash. Like black cat strobe lights. I didn't get none of those. I didn't get a parachute. Parachutes are really cool. They shoot like mortar. Parachute comes down. I didn't get no missiles. I love missiles. And I didn't get no whistling peats. The whistling peats are really cool. I got some crackling crawfish, but I didn't get no whistling peats. They whistle. All they do is whistle real loud, and I didn't get no mortar, but I have it. I think I saved. Well, I don't know. I gave away my mortar. Mortar, you just put a mortar ball in there. It shoots like a shotgun shell. That's my firework collection, Yellow Groove. I don't think you got nothing on that. That's just my opinion. I thought I had a little more than that, but that's probably over about $250 at least in fireworks. But that's my firework collection right there. Bada bada bing. That's bitter. Flavor just creeps up on you. 14% alcohol by volume. For Loko Red in my firework collection. That's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be doing a cooking video in the future. Probably gonna buy a camera. I gotta update my list, personal list. If you guys have any other questions regarding me or whatever. By the way, Wads, I'm paying. I have over $300 in bills. I'm paying. He said I ain't paying my school, my Department of Education. I am paying my college fucking debt every week. That's $80 every week. I'm paying my medical bills $50 every week. My car insurance, which is like $70 a month. And I'm also paying between $65 and $70 a month. And I'm paying my phone, which is $35 a month. That doesn't include car insurance, phone, for it. So that adds over. Needless to say, I'm paying over $300 plus gasoline for my car. Food doesn't include everything else, but I haven't had a drink like this in a long time, but it doesn't, not too bad. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.